Hello guys, this is Lulu and today we're gonna do a dark lips correction for this beautiful model. Right now I'm using only a neutralizer to cover the darkest spot on her lips. It's very light pass. And the beauty of this pigment that is very concentrated. So you will need less passes, less trauma. Dark lips usually have a cool purple tone. That's why we use only warm colors. Colorizer is a red bright color with cool undertone. So I love to dilute this color because it's very strong, and remember that dark lips will always heal a little bit cooler than normal lips. Our goal is not over traumatize lips. As you see, I don't use any anesthesia, and we're working without blood, without bruises. This procedure is extremely advanced. If you can't predict heal results, better just don't start doing this procedure. Very important to create first outline, because without outline you can't create good quality of work. I'm using some cross-hatching movements. I not overstretch the lips, because if you stretch too much you're gonna create even more trauma. You can see the difference when we just started. So I'm gonna work in some darker spots just to make sure we cover all the most darkest spots. So some clients will need additional touch-up, just to repeat step 1 with the same pigments like you did on the initial procedures. Healing process usually takes around 12 weeks. You see here a little bit more dark, so I want to work a little bit here. Now I'm using Lulu's Rosé Bare and Neutralizer mix. I will do a full lip shading. Also make sure that your client before procedure exfoliate the lips and just remove any dead cells and dry skin, and after the scrub use some Vaseline or Aquaphor. It will make big difference during the procedure. When you wiping lips, be very gentle, because some artists they creating more trauma when they wipe the pigment. Dark lips correction is not a procedure where you should rush. You need to make sure you don't create over trauma. You're very gentle for the skin.